Have you ever worn a black shirt on a sunny day? What about a white shirt? Did one feel hotter than the other? That's not just in your imagination. Dark colors like black actually feel warmer in the sunshine than light colors like white. Let's find out why. Why does this happen? Well, it all starts with the sun. The sun sends out light and heat, and that heat travels all the way to Earth. When this heat reaches us, something really cool happens depending on the color of an object. Are you ready to do an experiment to see what happens? Imagine sunlight is like a big shower of tiny, invisible rays falling down on us. These rays are full of energy, and that energy is what makes things feel warm. Now, imagine that dark colors are like sponges, and light colors are like mirrors. When the sunlight rays hit a dark color, it's like the sponge soaking up all that energy. The energy turns into heat, making the dark object warmer. But when the sunlight rays hit a light color, it's like the mirror bouncing most of that energy away. Less energy is absorbed, so the light object stays cooler. Let's test this idea with an experiment. We'll need a few things: one black cup, one white cup, a sunny day, or a bright lamp, 2 thermometers or a way to feel the cups carefully, and a notebook and pencil to write down what happens. This is called taking data. First, find a sunny spot outside or set up your lamp. Carefully place the black cup and the white cup under the light. Make sure they are the same distance from the light source. Now we wait. While we wait, let's make a prediction. Before we look at our cups, let's make a guess about what we think will happen. Do you think the black cup or the white cup will be warmer after being under the light? This guess is called a hypothesis. Write your hypothesis down in your notebook. It might look something like this. I think the black cup will be warmer than the white cup. It's okay if your hypothesis is different. That's what makes science fun. Now it's time to check on our experiment. After about 10 minutes, carefully feel both cups. What do you notice? Is one cup warmer than the other? If you have thermometers, you can even measure the temperature of each cup and write it down in your notebook. The black cup should feel warmer because it absorbed more of the light energy and turned it into heat. The white cup reflected more of the light energy, so it didn't get as warm. Our experiment shows us that dark colors absorb more heat from the sun, while light colors reflect more heat. This happens everywhere, not just with cups. Think about a car parked in the sun. A black car will get much hotter inside than a white car. That's why it's important to be careful about touching your seatbelt buckle on a hot day. It might be very hot. The same thing happens with the clothes we wear. On a sunny day, a white shirt will feel cooler than a black shirt because it reflects more heat. Have you ever noticed that sidewalks get hotter than the grass on a sunny day? That's because the darker sidewalk absorbs more heat. We've learned that dark colors absorb more light and heat from the sun, while light colors reflect more light and heat. This is why a black shirt feels warmer than a white shirt on a sunny day. We proved it with our cup experiment. Remember, science is all about asking questions and testing out your ideas. It's okay to be wrong sometimes, that's how we learn. Want to try another experiment? Next time you're outside on a sunny day, find a few different colored socks or pieces of cloth. Feel them carefully. Do some feel warmer than others? Try leaving them out in the sun for a little while, then feel them again. What happened? Keep asking questions and exploring the world around you. You are a scientist.